We work with the dev teams to look at what software features they're contemplating and what sort of implications this would have for the hardware in order to support and enable those features. And then we have some pretty talented people in our UX group and also our architects like Bert Keeley that envision what the user interaction should be and what the overall experience should be. And we put all that together and then we go evangelize it to the hardware partners as what we think the ideal tablet PC experience should be as expressed in the hardware. UX is user experience. Okay. So that's things like ergonomics and human factors, how one holds the tablet, how one holds the pen, where the buttons should be, how you interact with it. Also the design features in the software, the icons and the layout and what they do. All that sort of falls under the domain of the user experience and human factors groups.
And that's all your team?
No, that's a different team within the product group, but we use them as experts, as subject area experts, to go help us work with the OEMs to make sure they take all that information into account when they design and build the hardware.